Filipino-Canadian singer, actor, and model Mikey Bustos became a YouTube sensation via his wacky comedy skits, Filipino accent tutorials celebrating Pinoy culture.
Hey there, Spider. This is your boy, Mikey Bustos. This video is an in-depth tutorial of the Filipino accent. Promise, forever. Kuya, germs. Hindi
Parang hinimay niya yung paano mag-English ang Pilipino.
Pinapakita niya din yung the way na yung accents natin, iba yung sometimes we say P instead of F.
Follow, flip, pack, Filipino, Philippines, family, snowflake.
I think it highlights yung katotohanan ng global Pinoy. Na there are Pinoys everywhere, which is true. Diba? We're in every country, in all types of jobs. You find us doing all sorts of things.
Naku, alam ba, Robinson May,
Ano ba?
Hindi lang komedyante yang si Mikey Bustos.
Ano?
Aba, seryosong singer din siya.
Talaga?
Naman! Promise noon!
Bakit ang dami ginagawa sa Robinson na?
Hindi!
Oh.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Alam, bagay kami talaga niya.
Aba, ng linya mo, klikli lang.
Oh, guys, I did not know that either, but you know what? Mikey actually made it to the top 10 of Canadian Idol. Galpo!
This is all Samuel.
Why did his online tutorials become a huge hit?
Siguro kumalat to kasi marami rin yung nakaka-relate to it. Lalo na yung mga nakakasilamuha sa mga Pilipino siguro sa ibang bansa. Tapos parang, uy, ganun nga magsalita si ganyan. Ganun nga magsalita si ganyan. Wow, ganun pala gawin yun.
Marami siyang sinasabi rin about colonial mentality, Americanization ng Pilipino. Tsaka matalino siya. Hindi lang siya yung pataw, parang may lalim.
So the next
The Mikey Bustos Filipino accent tutorials has gained 901,852 views on YouTube.
A testament to yung identity natin, yung nationality natin, na buhay kami, and we have our culture. Maari it sounds funny to you, pero we're proud of it. At yun yung parang ina-underline niya lagi, na parang proud kami kahit ganito kami. And even though you don't understand us on the surface, you have to know our history to really understand.
See you later, heavyweighter, and Pacquiao for life.
How to cook adobong manok at number 8 and Filipino accent tutorials by Mikey Bustos at number 7. We gotta take another break, guys.